Hey everyone, it's Caitlin, your geeky girlfriend, and I am back with another brand announcement for you guys, which includes a product reveal. I got my first order from @Bougies, and you guys are lucky to get a collab code, which you can see here, @GeekyGF, using their tag @Bougies official, which you can find in my bio and in the collabs section of my Instagram. Make sure you're a follower to make sure you get those codes, and use my link and the code in this video to get 15% off your purchase. And I'm so excited to show you what I got from @Bougies and the products that I cannot wait to model for you guys in coming content. So let's go ahead and dig right in. Now, this did come in a standard UPS packaging. They do offer shipping information and tracking numbers, which I love. I love to know where all my packages are at all times, and @Bougies does provide that for all of their customers. Now, as part of my orders of what to show you guys on my page and what to model for you, I ordered 3 things and they all came together, and I also love that. I love getting all the packages together, and I know I've done a lot of unboxing videos lately, but that is exciting for me because I've added all new pieces to my wardrobe, and it's exciting for you guys because you get all new boutiques and websites and shops to shop at, and you have coupon codes to use. So it's a win-win for everyone. And it has truly been so fun getting packages in the mail. It's like Christmas every day here at our house, which my husband and I both love. So let's take a look at what I ordered from @Bougies. Each product came individually packaged in these cute little bags with the logo. Make sure you check them out. The first piece that I ordered was the Santorini 2-piece set. Now, if you've been watching my 5-Fact Frenzy videos, you know that Santorini, Greece is one of my dream locations to travel to, and the model in the photo when I ordered this was in Santorini, Greece, and so it just gave me all the travel feels and vibes. And this is a 2-piece set. So this is the top. It's an off-the-shoulder. And I did order the medium. Obviously, I have not tried any of the products on yet because I'm just now opening them. So I will do a try-on haul in a later video for you guys. But this is the top. It is supposed to be off the shoulder. It looks like the products are going to be true to size, which is great. So there's the top, and then it is a blue pattern with like little white flowers. Just super cute. Totally matches the blue roofed buildings in Santorini. Totally get why this set has that name. And then it comes with the matching skirt, which again, since it's a 2-piece set, also came in the medium. And this is one of those pieces that would look great with some of the other pieces that I've shown here in unboxings. So with 2-piece sets, you get essentially like 2 or more outfits with one order. So this could be cute with a crop top, cute with a white tank, cute with a black tank, and some white sandals. And then you could also pair the top with some white jeans, white shorts, a white skirt, a black skirt. So getting 2-piece sets opens up your opportunities for more and more outfit choices. Something I'm just noticing about the top is it has a zipper, which is interesting. Most of the time they just are stretched. So I kind of like that it offers more adjustment in size, that you can zip and unzip. And then it also has elastic. So that's in the top. And the skirt has a side zipper, which I also love way more than back zippers, because as a former gymnast, I have big back muscles that are still plaguing me with back zippers today. So I love the side zipper. This is so cute. I cannot wait to try this on and see how it fits and see how the sizing is. But I love the pattern. It's light, so it's going to be super comfortable in the summer and the spring because it's like a light linen. The other thing that I love is that it has this double layer of fabric in the skirt to help make it not so sheer. So it is double layered, which I love. I love when I can wear products anywhere, and you know, I can wear them to church or wear them to a family outing and not have to worry about showing too much skin to family members. And this will be perfect because it has that double layer of fabric. So Santorini set from @Bougies, and my code will, again, get you 15% off this set, and you could get 2 outfits just in this one piece. I am a little bit nervous that the top is going to be a little... I'm trying to get it situated so where I can show you. So it has straps, and don't mind the front, but it ties in the front. So I put it on, and then you tie it in the front, and I'm going to do this fast, but it's going to have like a little keyhole opening in the front. And they have this in different colors, but I am just really on a yellow kick right now. And obviously that's a really big keyhole. So obviously when I wore it, I would tie it much tighter than that to make that a more modest keyhole in the front. But this is the yellow midi dress. I do not recall off the top of my head what the exact name of this product is. So if you're interested, just put it in the comments and I will be sure to look it up and drop it in the comments. But this was in yellow. They have it in multiple colors. You can see the buttons down the front. Super, super cute. Again, light. It's linen, high quality, no rips, no tears. I did have to wait a couple of weeks for these products to come in, but I received shipping notification as soon as my order was filled, and they filled the order super quickly. I just had to wait a couple of weeks for the shipping. Again, I have been really into buying basic pieces that can be worn multiple ways, and this fits the bill because this would look cute with sandals, look cute with a denim jacket, and then it could be worn by itself with like a fun bag. So that is the dress. And again, I've been trying to stock up on basics because I know that I have a lot of clothes and I talk a lot about clothes here on the blog, but I am trying to move to a more minimalist wardrobe that is statement pieces that can last all year. So cardigans, dresses, skirts, pants, all things that can last all year round. So I don't have as many clothes in storage. I don't have to go through... a surprise just fell out of that purchase. So I was in the middle of saying something and something hit my foot and a surprise fell out. Look at that. We will look at that in a second. So I'm trying to move to more of a minimalist wardrobe. Sorry for my ADD moment there. And so I'm all about ordering basic pieces. So what's more basic than a classic denim skirt? This is very basic. It's got 2 back pockets, 2 front pockets, and a button in the front. Again, I did order size medium based on their size chart. That's what I thought would be best. I'll keep you guys updated on the sizing once I get it all tried on. Oh no, I take that back. This is a large. Based on their sizing chart, I got a large in this skirt. It does have a zipper and a button closure in the front, 2 front pockets and 2 back pockets. So super basic. I have a black denim skirt already in my wardrobe, and so I wanted to just get a basic denim. What I love about this is the fraying at the bottom. I think that's so in right now, and it's so cute. Goes with like the distressed trend that's going on right now, and this looks like a pair of pants were just cut off into a skirt, and I think that's super cute. So basic pieces. The Santorini 2-piece was like my treat yourself splurge piece. I've been trying out some of those 2-piece sets lately just to give myself more diversity. Again, the skirt can have multiple options of outfits. The top alone can have multiple options of outfits. And I was so excited about the yellow dress. That was the first thing I put in my cart. And then I just got this because everybody needs a denim skirt. So this is like a classic basic piece that I just needed to add. And what better way to do it than through @Bougies, a brand that I'm so excited to represent. This is high quality denim. It's not, you know how sometimes denim can be like stretchy and kind of cheap. This is high quality. It smells like denim. So it has like a good genuine smell. Good genuine lines, good genuine stitching. So all high quality stuff. I'm really excited to show you guys what everything looks like in a later video or in like a reel or a post in my highlights. So look out for all that sort of content. Now, I did get a little free surprise that fell out, and that was so fun. That was a fun little moment there. So it comes with a little card. Thanks. We hope you enjoy your purchase. And all of our products are created and crafted with an obsessive attention to detail. And then they have their Instagram at the bottom. And At Bougie's team is so happy to have me on board. Thank you. And they gave me a little card, so that's super sweet. But it was just so fun that they had it hit. It was truly hidden in there, and then it just fell out. So super fun. Great products, you guys. Again, use my code at Geeky Girlfriend for 15% off your purchase. Go give them a checkout. Again, we've talked a lot about recently, like the appeal of boutiques, and I know that sometimes the price tag might look a little shocking, but use my coupon code, save yourself some money on things that you need, not necessarily that you want, or splurge and get something that you want, like pay the price for something that you really, really want but just never have bought. Those are kind of the two, how I've been trying to mold my shopping and mold my thinking. If I'm going to spend money on it, then it needs to be something that I really, really want or really, really need. And those are kind of my two mantras that I've been working towards lately in my goal to be a more minimalist in my wardrobe. And by minimalist, that doesn't mean less clothes. That just means statement pieces that can make multiple outfits, which could lead to less clothes, but you have a specific niche and a specific style. And I'm trying to really stick to my specific style personality. And I did a post that includes a quiz on how you can find your own style personality in my Instagram. So I did get a little necklace, super cute, and that was my free gift that fell out of the skirt, and that was fun. So again, use my code at Geeky Girlfriend at Bougies on Instagram. You can find their tag in my bio, as well as information in this video and in my collabs. Highlights, make sure you go check out all those places. This video is on YouTube and Instagram TV in my unboxing series. And check out my future content coming soon, including reels, try-on hauls, and more unboxings. Until then, see you next time. Bye, guys.